Hi everyone! I wanted to take you along and compare 3 excursions that I did in Cabo San Lucas on 3 different times I was there to visit the port. So 2 times I booked through the cruise line, and then another time I did go out on my own and booked a resort pass. So if you're wondering if you should book through the cruise lines or if you should just go and branch out by yourself, this video is for you. For over 3 decades, I've been painting ocean scenes for my collectors worldwide, and now I spend a lot of time chasing them from a deck of a cruise ship. So here's my first shore excursion that I booked through Princess. I tried this excursion Salsa and Salsa, which was super fun. I think most of the cruise lines actually offer it in Cabo San Lucas, not just Princess. They drive you out to a nice resort. And we were actually at a golf resort, and it was so beautiful. And weather was perfect, and we were sitting outside and making salsa. So they sit you at big round tables in a group of people, and you get a little chef hat on your head and all the tools to make salsa. And it was just incredible. The hostess, there were actually 2 of them, I believe. They were so fun and engaging. They were just wonderful. And at the end, after we made all the salsas and we were totally stuffed, they made us dance. And I love salsa dancing, and I didn't have a partner. Actually, one of the people there danced with me. You can go by yourself as well. It's not a problem. They were really patient with people. They were just learning, and it was just really a wonderful day. This excursion was a perfect mix of food, fun, and culture, and I felt completely safe the entire time. For me, it was one of those experiences that really makes you glad you booked it through the cruise line. My second excursion through the cruise line was horseback riding. It was amazing. So this was in Cabo San Lucas as well. And I have to tell you about another incident, though, with horseback riding in another port. So it's always great to be cautious. Even if it's booked through the cruise line, just be aware of your surroundings. And if something doesn't look right, just walk away. So we were picked up in a small Volkswagen van, and we were so cramped in there. It felt really uncomfortable. The van was older, and it was cramped and no air conditioning, and it was not a good experience getting to the ranch. So that made me feel a little bit uneasy. But once we got there, the ranch was beautiful. The people were wonderful. I mean, it was just a fantastic experience. They were knowledgeable. They were looking out for our safety. They were just wonderful people giving us a ride on their horses. And we were riding by the beach, which was absolutely incredible. And I felt safe the whole time. It was a wonderful excursion. I could not have asked for a more wonderful day. I did a horseback riding in Ensenada, though. And after that one, I'm really cautious now if I'm going to do horseback riding again. For 25 people, it was way too many people for a horseback ride. And they ran out of horses. First of all, we went up on a ridge all the way up somewhere in Ensenada. It was super windy up there. The sand was blowing in our faces. And they ran out of horses, and I was the last one to get a horse. It was a very large horse, and it was more wild than all the other ones, and it wasn't really listening, and it wasn't really taking direction. And at some point, it stepped out of the line and started galloping off. and I almost fell off, and they were riding after me and trying to get my horse to stop, and I could see that they were scared. But it was just not a good experience because I did not feel safe at all. So in Ensenada, I probably would not do this again. Here is the point. Even with cruise line excursions, things can go wrong. They're generally safer and more reliable than if you go out on your own. But always stay alert. Quick interruption. I have to toot my own horn. I'm so sorry. We'll be right back with the video. I'm sorry, my second language is English. I've been making this product since 5 years, and I've been giving it away to friends. And now it's finally on Amazon, so I'm really excited about this. It's a sugar scrub with organic coconut oil, lavender oil, and organic sugar crystals. This stuff makes your skin glowing and soft and smooth. Try it out and let me know how you like it. Okay, back to the video. Thanks. So here is the third excursion. My day I branched off on my own to the Hilton Golf Resort. Absolutely fantastic resort. So I use Resort Pass. There are lots of great hotels on Resort Pass. You can't go wrong. It's just incredible. There are also reviews on there, so you can read the reviews before you book a hotel. So I've been in Cabo several times before, so I felt safe to go on my own and just book a Resort Pass and take an Uber out to the resort and just enjoy my day. It's incredible. The resort has infinity pools and a beach where I went swimming. In the Resort Pass price, the food is included. And their kitchen was just amazing. You had different restaurants that you could choose from, and it was fantastic. It was really worth it to go out on my own, and I didn't have any groups around me that I was part of. It was just me and enjoying myself at this gorgeous resort. Total luxury. Very beautiful. For me, it was the perfect day. But this is important. It's not for everyone. If it's your first time in Cabo, or if you're nervous about transportation and timing, it might feel stressful. But if you're comfortable navigating on your own, a Resort Pass can be a fantastic way to enjoy Cabo on your own pace. Thanks for watching. I am Jenny Simon, artist and ocean lover. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and hit subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. Thank you.